You tired of paying for a monthly subscription just to wait in line for a machine that limits how your body was actually meant to move? What if the ultimate gym was already with you 24/7? Imagine the frustration of standing in a crowded gym, waiting for your turn, versus the exhilaration of pulling off a flawless muscle up in the open air. This is the moment to challenge everything you thought you knew about fitness. Today, we're diving deep into why calisthenics might just be the answer you've been searching for. Before we dive into why your own body weight is your best weapon, take a second to think about what true physical freedom means to you. Imagine breaking free from the confines of gym walls and rigid routines. If you're ready to unlock your potential and move the way your body was designed to, you're in the right place. Let's get into it and discover how calisthenics can transform your approach to fitness. Think about it, when was the last time you needed to isolate a single muscle in real life? Calisthenics is all about functional strength, training your body to move as a unit just like it was meant to. Instead of sitting on a machine that targets one muscle, you're mastering movements that require coordination, balance, and real-world power. This isn't just about looking strong, it's about being strong in every sense of the word. Here's the kicker, gym machines often force you to isolate muscles, but life doesn't work that way. Calisthenics integrates your entire body, teaching you to control every muscle, every joint, and every movement. The result? You build a body that's not just strong but agile and resilient. It's about mastering your own weight, not just lifting someone else. Picture this, a sunlit park, a quiet beach, or even your own living room. Calisthenics gives you the freedom to train anywhere, anytime, no more waiting for equipment or being stuck indoors. Your body is your gym and the world is your playground. This kind of flexibility means you can stay consistent no matter where life takes you. The truth is, you don't need expensive machines or fancy gear to get in the best shape of your life. Calisthenics strips fitness down to its purest form, just you and your body. Whether you're at home, traveling, or outside, you can always get a workout in. No excuses, just results. Calisthenics isn't just about push-ups and pull-ups, it's a journey of infinite progression. As you master the basics, new challenges await: muscle-ups, planches, handstands, and more. There's always a new skill to unlock, keeping your workouts fresh and your motivation high. You're not just building muscle, you're mastering your body. When you train with your own body weight, you develop a deep connection with how you move. Every rep teaches you more about your strengths and weaknesses. Over time, you gain control, balance, and confidence that carries over into every aspect of your life. This is about more than fitness, it's about self-mastery. Unlike heavy machines that can put unnatural stress on your joints, calisthenics promotes natural movement patterns. You're not locked into a fixed range of motion. Instead, your joints move freely, building strength and stability where it matters most. This means fewer injuries and a body that feels good, not just looks good. Calisthenics is rooted in the way humans are meant to move: pushing, pulling, jumping, and balancing. These primal movements translate directly into daily life, making you more capable and less prone to injury. It's about training for life, not just for looks. Across cities in the USA, you'll find athletes turning playgrounds and parks into their training grounds. Urban calisthenics is a movement, literally and figuratively. It's about community, creativity, and pushing the limits of what's possible with nothing but your own body. The energy is contagious and the results speak for themselves. One of the most powerful aspects of calisthenics is the community. Whether you're training solo or joining a group at the park, you'll find support, motivation, and inspiration. People from all walks of life come together, united by the goal of mastering their bodies and pushing their limits. With calisthenics, there are no barriers, no gym membership, no problem, bad weather, find a spot indoors. Traveling, your workout goes with you. The only thing you need is the will to start. Every obstacle becomes an opportunity to get stronger. Let's talk about money. Gym memberships, equipment, and supplements can add up fast. Calisthenics is free. All you need is your body and a little bit of space. Invest in yourself, not in monthly fees. The return: strength, confidence, and freedom. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, calisthenics meets you where you are. You can scale every movement to match your ability, and as you progress, the challenges grow with you. It's a lifelong journey that never gets old. Calisthenics isn't just physical, it's mental. Every rep requires focus, discipline, and determination. You learn to listen to your body, push through barriers, and celebrate every victory, big or small. This mind-body connection is what sets calisthenics apart. With consistent effort, you'll see progress fast. Calisthenics rewards dedication with visible results: strength, muscle definition, and improved athleticism. The journey is challenging, but every milestone fuels your motivation to keep going. Imagine your workouts as scenes from a movie, dynamic, powerful, and inspiring. Calisthenics brings a cinematic energy to your training, with every movement telling a story of growth and determination. You're not just exercising, you're creating your own action sequence. The beauty of calisthenics is that motivation is always within reach. Whether it's nailing your first pull-up or mastering a new skill, every achievement keeps you hungry for more. The journey never ends and the rewards keep coming. Calisthenics isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle. It becomes part of who you are, shaping your mindset and your daily routine. You start to see every staircase, every park bench as an opportunity to get stronger. Fitness becomes fun, not a chore. So here's your challenge. Try one push-up today, that's it. One rep is all it takes to start your journey toward mastering your body and unlocking true physical freedom. The best gym in the world is already with you, now it's time to use it. Are you ready to move?